today we have Easter eggs, and then inside these these Easter eggs, we're going to put orange play. We're going to put any of these 4 color players, the Play-Doh colors we have, and then those colors we're guessing is orange, blue, yellow, and green. First, let's open up green, and then now yellow, and then let's open up orange. Now blue. You have all the colors. Now I'm going to add all. I have all my Easter eggs, and I'm going to put Play-Doh in there. Let me open them. So let me take the shuffle to take any of these colors. Let me take this color. I got one ready, but let me get the rest of the Easter eggs ready. So where's my shuffle? No, which one's ready? I forgot. Is this one ready? Which one's ready? I forgot. Is this? Let me see. Oh yeah, this is. To go, but we need to do these. Let me open the orange one. Let me take my shuffle. Let me take this color. And then let me at the top. Okay. And I got another one ready to go. Now let's do this one. Let me take the shuffle. Take this color. That color. And with it. But I'm gonna need more of the orange. This kind of look like orange and red. But it's definitely orange. Now the other color is ready to go. What is this color? I have three already ready. So let me take this open. So let me take my shuffle. Take these out of here. Why do we got all of them? I just need some of them. There'll be these and the Easter egg. Each Easter egg stick can be orange, yellow, green, and blue. So today you have to guess what color. So let's see what color is in here. Let me give you a minute so you can guess what this is. Let's open. Have you guessed yellow? So let me add this back in the yellow. So let me. Now what color is on this? I can see the color on the back, but I think you don't know what color is on the back. Open it. It is orange. Have you guessed orange? Okay, let me put it back in here. In my Play-Doh container. Now let me take down this. What color is in? It's orange. Orange again? Have you guessed that color? So I have to try to guess it. Get a new. Let me take this. What color is in here? Blue. That's like a third favorite color. I think one had to be green because I never got in the green. So let me. What color is in here? blue. It's blue. How you guess this color? Okay, now we'll put it in this container. So so what color is in here? Yeah, it's orange. How you guess this color? Let me put it back in the container and then let me close it. I have two more. Let me use this. So what is in here then? Please be green. I never got the green. It's yellow. How do you guess this color? What color is in here? What about it? This is the last Easter egg. So guess what color is in here? Yeah, green. Finally, it's green. I never had it green. I had it in the green container. Finally. Thank you for watching.